Life was pretty normal in Nepal that time, although the number of cases was increasing rapidly in our neighboring country, China. The first COVID-19 case in Nepal was confirmed in 24 January 2020. By the time I came to know about it, he had already recovered. However, people had started getting anxious about the disease and outbreak, and I was one of them. I'm Sandeep Rai. I am a filmmaker, YouTuber, and a freelancer, and this is my experience about COVID-19 pandemic. Fast forward to March 15, 2020, that's 9 days before a countrywide lockdown came in effect in Nepal. I had headed to a district called Parbat to film a short documentary about an inspiring person and his agricultural journey. On my way there, I overheard the drivers talking about the plans to shut down public transportations in a few days because of the COVID-19 situation. This startled me. I took an immediate decision to finish this project as soon as I could and to return back to Kathmandu. I returned back to Kathmandu on the third day of my trip. Normally there is a direct bus from Parbat to Kathmandu and no changes in between. But on my way back, I shifted to another bus midway because I was the only person traveling to Kathmandu from that route. The second case was confirmed in 23rd March 2020 in Nepal. And finally, the day came when the government declared a nationwide lockdown of 7 days.
विश्वका अधिकांश मुलुकहरू यस महामारीको सङ्क्रमणबाट आक्रान्त भएका छन्।
I had never experienced such lockdown in my life before, and I know there are a lot of people like me. A 7 days lockdown was not something I was initially worried about, but things started to get worse. I realized I needed something to distract myself from all this chaos. I made a list of things I could do and started following it. First thing on my list was not to stop making YouTube videos. Second, I started exercising. The third thing on my list was something that I am not used to doing much, and that's reading books and novels. Fourth thing was to catch up with my relatives and friends. And the final thing was to learn things that would be useful for me after we win over this pandemic. And let's be honest, despite all of this, there are times when I feel low. My heart pounds faster and it feels like the world is coming to an end. There is this constant fear of knowing that even after this pandemic ends, the things are not going to be the same as it used to be. But again, I try to convince myself saying that even if COVID-19 didn't exist, today was not the same as yesterday, and tomorrow is never going to be the same as today. Things are always changing, that is life, and we have to make the best out of it. So let's pray for the world together, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep smiling.